Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's YouTube channel. Keeping Bangalore traffic in mind, I rushed from home early and reached airport in no time. There is no much queue for the baggage check-in and the security. It took only 30 minutes for me to reach to the boarding gates. Surprisingly. This time I booked Air India and the facilities are pretty good, except the person in yellow. Just kidding. I'm a window person. No matter what, I always go with the window. Weather is pretty good and the clouds are clearly visible. I had a peaceful journey from Bangalore to Delhi. I supposed to reach Delhi by 4 pm but I have reached already by 12 pm. Things can only Indians do, right? I met one of the co-solo travelers in Delhi airport and we have decided to explore Majnu Ka Tilla, which is one of the meeting spot for all the travelers instead of waiting at the airport. We went to Amma Cafe after considering the reviews, but we had to wait for 2 hours in the waiting hall before tasting their own food. Delhi is pretty hot, the weather, and so we checked ourselves into some okay type of restaurants, but we got really delicious food served. Majnu Ka Tilla is a colony in Delhi which is known as a Tibetan style market. We had to wait here till 7 pm till we meet other solo female travelers. We were already exhausted by now, but to pass time, we started street shopping in Majnu Ka Tilla. Finally, we met everyone. It's time to hop on to bus. And the journey begins. It's an overnight journey to Manali from Delhi. About 4 am in the morning, we were asked to not to go forward as there was a landslide. There was a continuous rainfall in Mandi and our journey was lazy at that moment. Our bus was here for almost 4 hours. Meanwhile, we found nearby restaurant and had our breakfast and tea. Around 8 in the morning, we shifted our luggage to a tempo traveler and continued further. The day is so tiring and stressful. I call it day 0. Let's meet again in day 1 journey to Leh Ladakh. Thank you so much for watching till the end.